You're watching Mirror 7 News. Stay informed, stay ahead for more news.
So here's what's making waves in the markets right now. Gold prices have jumped sharply, with spot gold hitting around $3.650 an ounce. That move came right after the release of fresh U.S. economic data, specifically the Producer Price Index, or PPI, which cooled off more than analysts were expecting for the month of August. Now, if you're not too familiar with it, the PPI is basically a measure of inflation at the wholesale level. It tracks the prices that producers receive for their goods and services, and because of that, it often gives an early signal about the direction of consumer inflation. When the PPI slows down, it suggests that some of the inflationary pressure in the economy might be easing before it even reaches everyday consumers. This slowdown in PPI was taken by investors as a positive sign that inflation might finally be coming under control. And whenever inflation fears take a step back, markets start recalculating the odds of what the Federal Reserve will do next. In this case, the cooling PPI numbers are boosting expectations that the Fed could move toward rate cuts sooner rather than later. Gold, as we know, tends to benefit whenever interest rates are expected to fall. That's because lower rates reduce the opportunity cost of holding gold, which doesn't pay interest or dividends. So, investors pile into gold as a safer store of value. And that's exactly what we're seeing now. The price climbing to that eye-catching $3.650 per ounce level. It's also worth noting that this spike in gold fits into a broader trend we've been watching for a while. Precious metals have been in the middle of a powerful bull run, with both gold and silver drawing increased interest, not only from individual investors but also from central banks. A weaker US dollar is playing its part too, since gold prices usually rise when the dollar softens. To put it simply, the combination of cooling inflation data, shifting Federal Reserve policy expectations, and ongoing global demand for safe haven assets has created the perfect environment for gold to shine. While markets are always unpredictable, the momentum here suggests that precious metals could continue attracting strong support in the weeks ahead. So for now, the story is clear. Softer U.S. producer prices have given gold another big push upward, and investors everywhere are watching closely to see just how far this rally can run. Stay subscribed for more videos.